What's the word? What's the word? What's the mother word, man? Today, we talking about Donald Trump trying to introduce this national carry in America. You feel me? Ain't finna be no more state to state national carry. You feel me? So y'all get in here, bro. Like, comment, subscribe. Do that for your boy, man. Do that for your boy. If you don't do nothing else, do that for your boy. I'm almost at 500, bro. I'm halfway there, bro. Do that for me. Do that for me. So pretty much Big Dog Trump done came out and said, hey, man, we tired of all these state by state gun laws, you feel me? We finna introduce a federal, national, open carry, whoop de whoop, you feel me? Yeah, and I think that'll be beneficial, bro, because man, y'all don't know how different these gun laws are state to state. And my argument has always been, bro, no matter what you say the laws are, the criminals will always break the law and do and have things that they shouldn't. But they would do things they shouldn't do and have things that they shouldn't have. So if the criminals got the guns and we ain't got guns, how are we supposed to protect ourselves? You know, when a criminal comes up to us with a gun, you feel me? So it's like it's one of those things, bro. Like, nah, man. And then you just had this ruling come out with the Supreme Court because, you know, they be tripping about, you know, smoking weed and, you know what I'm saying, carrying a gun. You know, they were saying that, like, pretty much, like, if you're an avid weed smoker, that, you know, you shouldn't own a gun. And people went to the Supreme Court and argued that. You feel me? So, and they won. You know what I'm saying? So, with Big Dog Trump coming out saying that, hey, man, we finna go ahead and just try and introduce some verbiage, you know, to where, you know, we can open carry across America. I feel like that's beautiful, bro, because on top of criminals carrying guns, bro, like, let's just say you are a gun owner. Just say you are a gun owner and you experience these weird laws when you go to other states and stuff like that. Like, for instance, you got places like California and Chicago where you can't have guns. You feel me? Well, Chicago not a state, so Illinois, where you can't have guns and stuff like that. New York as well. But when you go out there, you'll get your ass shot fucking around without no gun. You feel me? So it's like one of those things, bro. Like, nah, man, nah. I gotta be able to take my gun. But if you take your gun out there and get caught with it, you know what I'm saying? You in trouble. For instance, my sister had got into some BS back in the day, bro. She had took her gun to New York. Yeah, she took it to New York, bro. So when you fly in with it, like, it ain't no problem. You feel me? Flying out with it is the problem. So when she flew in with it, like, everything was good, you know, whatever. So I guess she left out through New York, and when she left out, you know, she had a gun, and man, I tell you, they swooped in on her, whatever, got her. And they took her to jail for it, bro. And shoot, had to bond her out. My mom did. I want to say, or maybe she bonded herself out. I don't really remember, one or the other. But yeah, she was in there for like a couple of days or something like that because, you know, you got to find a lawyer to fight that type of stuff, you feel me? But just not knowing gun laws, you know what I'm saying, like state to state, you know, or let's just say you slip up, you know, you do know the gun laws and you just slip up, you know, like that's easy, that's for you to go to jail or, you know, ruin your future, you feel me? So it's one of those things, bro, with Big Dog Trump, we like it, Trump. Gas prices getting low, then you feel me? Like, I'm talking about lower than a $3. You feel me? I'm talking about low, like Lil Jon and one apple bottom, low. You feel me? I'm talking about that low. You feel me? Gas prices that low. You feel me? So you can do something like this, bro. I don't think the violence will go up. I think, you know, crime will go down a little bit, bro. And on top of that, bro, the tickets that they writing people for having these guns and stuff like that, bro, go down as well, because the shit that they doing out here, bro, got people down here. The court system, I'm fighting one right now. The stuff that they got you doing down here, bro, like how they put off your case and stuff like that, bro, it's so crazy. And maybe I'll give y'all a story on that, how I got caught up, man, with that stuff on me and a pistol, you feel me? And they tried to get your boy. But yeah, man, with Trump introducing this, man, I feel like it'll be good for everybody, bro. Like, everybody. Like, won't nobody be scared to own a gun for the most part. Everybody go get trained on guns and understand, you know, like, what it means to own a gun, the responsibility, you know, that, you know, comes with owning a gun. You feel me? Like, take those classes, because what people don't understand, bro, you shoot somebody, it's consequences. You feel me? Like, whether you did it justifiably or whatever, like, the family can come back and sue you, you know, for, you know, this and that and the other. responsibility. You feel me? So it's like one of those things you got to know what you're getting yourself into. And I'll leave y'all with this. And this is when I had to go get my license to carry back when Texas didn't required you to have one in order, to carry a gun around. Man told me, he said, if you ever shoot somebody and they succumb to their injuries, he said you should have at least $50,000 set aside, like just for civil cases and covering, you going to jail for, a little a little time, whatever, like just to cover your expenses, whatever, and stuff like that, because you're going to jail for a little bit. Don't nobody know how long. It could be short, it could be long, but until, the case is won, or, you can make bond, or, it's sufficient evidence that, hey, they can let you go, whatever, or not arrest you, whatever the case may be. You gotta, have money in place, like to cover your lifestyle, bro. So, yeah, think before you pull that trigger, man. Like, yeah, I just had a conversation with one of my little partners, bro. Like, yeah, man, you gotta think before you, do stuff like that, bro. And that's where us older folks come in at. Yeah, we get frustrated too, but shit, we done lived long enough to know it's consequence to this. So y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about Uncle Trump introducing this national the carry. You feel me? Yeah, national. I can go anywhere in America with that on me. You feel me? Yeah, try it. I holler.